Welcome to our YouTube video on Windows Update Error 0xc1900204 in Windows 11 10ths. Today we'll explore the common causes and solutions for this frustrating issue. Stay tuned to resolve this error and get your Windows updates back on track. I will show in this video 3 solutions. Right-click on Windows Start. Go to Settings. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshoots. Click on Run. Close it. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Search Regedit. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Click on File. Click on Import. Type a name for the backup Registry Editor file and back up your current Registry Editor settings by clicking on Save. Expand hkey_local_machine. Expand software. Expand Microsoft. Expand Windows. Expand current version. Double-click on Program Files dir. Make sure that your Windows installed in C drive. Make sure that value data is C program file. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Search CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Copy the command from video description and paste here by pressing Ctrl+V and press Enter. Wait to complete the process. Moving forward. When complete the process, then close Command Prompt. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.